Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be diving into Ethereum, exactly what's been happening around the ETFs as well, and where exactly price is going to be heading to. So jumping onto the monthly time frame, you can see here there's major level of resistance being formed around that 3.6k level. You can see currently on this monthly time frame, it is trying to break that level of resistance, and if it does so, there is a very high possibility of it reaching around that 5k region again before a level of resistance being formed over here and breaking above this, going towards an all new time high. So just be aware of exactly where this candle is going to be playing for in this month. Within 7 days, if this month stays beyond this resistance level here, there's a very strong possibility of a breaking towards this level, possible retest around this region, maybe ranging between the levels of 3.6k to around 5k before breaking this level of resistance around here and heading towards an all new time high. So just be aware exactly what's been happening. So just resetting the charts again, going to the 30-minute time frame, just want to show you what exactly has been happening. You can see here around this time is where the ETF news was exactly launched. So around yesterday, around midday sort of time, you can see there was a massive surge over here when it does happen. So around this to here, there was a good increase of around 7%. Wasn't great, but there was that massive rush over to that around nearly 4k level before that massive dump, even here wicking around that 3.5k level. So exactly what I said before, these sort of news take time for it to heal up and making sure that it does pump in the long run. In the short run, there's no confirming that as well. So just highlighting in terms of short run, you can see this massive pump that's been happening around 20th of May. You can see what exactly happened around that 3,000 level, and it jumped all the way up to the 3,600 level. So if you guys do play short terms, just be aware of this support level being formed over here. If it does break, there is a very strong chance of it breaking, retesting that level and heading back down to that 3k level. If you guys do play short term, I do see this happening more likely, just because this sort of news, it takes time. People are going to be probably bought around here, selling off here. So just be aware of exactly what's going to happen. So in terms of short term, I do see this playing out at the moment, just that level of retest around this support level before heading back down towards this level as well. Just going into the weekly now, you can see exactly what's been happening. There was a massive rush back around 2021 where it hit that all-time high, forming that level of strong resistance around here. So there is a very good chance of it going up to this sort of level. Just be aware as well, you can see these key levels of resistance being formed here. This week it did test this level of resistance here. You can see here it did test that level here before forming that huge rejection at the moment. So you can see here from there it did a massive rejection around that 6% level from 3.9 thousand to around 3.6 thousand. So just be aware of what's happening around this level as well. So again, even with the weekly, for example, in the next 2 days it finishes above this level, there is a very good possibility of it heading down there. But if this next candle here turns bearish and it breaks below this low, there is a very good chance of it breaking these level of minor supports over here. You can see here before heading back down to these sort of levels as well. So guys, that's just a mini update from me regarding Ethereum in terms of where exactly ETFs are heading to. So just be aware of what's happening, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.